Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to study sorting, what are its different types, and we are going to see two sorting techniques in details. The objective of our lecture is to study what is sorting and what are its types. After today's lecture, one will be able to sort arrays using different types of sorting. What is sorting? Sorting is arranging elements of an array in logical order, either in ascending or descending order. There are two types of sorting, which are internal and external. These are the types of sorting using object-oriented programming, which are bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and radix sort. In today's lecture, we are going to study selection sort and radix sort in detail. Selection sort. The selection sort works by selecting smallest unsorted item remaining in the list and then swaps it with the item in the next position to be filled. If the zeroth element is found to be greater than the compared element, then they are exchanged or swapped. Hence, after the first iteration, the smallest element is placed at zeroth position. To sort the given elements in ascending order, the zeroth element is compared with all other elements. The similar procedure is repeated for rest of the elements. Let us understand selection sort by this example. We are given an unsorted array which has four which has 8 elements. In the first iteration, the first element, which is at zeroth position, is compared with the rest of the elements of the array and is sorted with the smallest element present in the array. So 14 will be compared with all the other elements in the array and will be swapped with 10 as it is the lowest element present in the array. In second iteration, 10 will fix its place at zeroth position, being the lowest element in the array. And the next element, which is 33, will be compared with rest of the elements of the array. Now 14 will fix its place at first position and the next element, which is 27, will be compared with the rest of the elements and will be swapped with the lowest one. This procedure will continue till we get our sorted array. So after the sixth iteration, we get our sorted array. Now we'll see the algorithm behind selection sort. Now let us see program of selection sort. Hash include iostream is the basic header file using namespace std. Now in the main function, we are going to define integer a of 80, which is the array size, and we'll take two variables I and n. Now we'll ask user to enter the number of elements which are present in the array. Then we'll scan it. Then we'll ask user to enter the array. We'll use a for loop to scan the array. Now this is the main part of any sorting technique. Void selection sort int of a comma int. This will be a user defined function in which we'll initialize integer j comma temp, which will be used for swapping. We'll use a for loop which which will be for I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. And inside this for loop, we'll use one more for loop, which will be for j equals to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Inside it, we'll use a if condition. If a of I is greater than a of j, then temp equals to a of I equals to a of j, and a of j equals to a of temp. This is the condition for exchanging or interchanging the values. Then after this, we'll print the sorted array. The output will be enter the number of elements to be sorted. For example, we'll take it as 8, enter array, we'll enter the array. The sorted array will be. Now let us move to our next sorting technique, which is Radix sort. In Radix sort, we sort numbers of an array by putting them in a table from LSB to MSB in different iterations. The number of iterations depend on the number of digits of the largest number in the array. For example, we are having a number 389, so 9 will be the least significant bit, which is LSB, and 3 will be the most significant bit, which is MSB. For example, we are given an array. We'll sort in first iteration, we'll sort it first from LSB. In number 720, the MSB is 0, so it will be in the 0th column of the table. Similarly, the number 355 has MSB as 5, so it will be in the 5th column of the table. This process will go for different iterations. In second iteration, we'll go with the next MSB. In this case, it will be the middle digit. So in 720, 2 is the middle digit. In 329, 2 is the middle digit. So 720 and 329 will go in this second column of the table. Similarly, 436 and 839 have 3 in middle, so they'll go in the third column of the table. Now, in the third and the last iteration, we'll sort the array from the MSB. So 329 and 355 have 3 in the MSB, so they'll go in the third column of the table. After arranging them, we'll get a sorted array.